I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to make your Windows 11 taskbar transparent. Step 1. Navigate to your Windows home screen and then press both the Windows and I buttons at the same time. Your Windows settings screen opens. Step 2. Click Personalization in the menu on the left side of this screen. Associated options are shown on the right side of the screen. Step 3. Click Colors. The Colors menu opens. Step 4. Click to toggle on Transparency Effects. Your Windows 11 taskbar will now be transparent and translucent along with all of the other surfaces in your Windows 11 interface. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.